In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove WooCommerce breadcrumbs. If you want a cleaner product page layout in WordPress, removing breadcrumbs can be a quick and simple customization. In many WooCommerce stores, breadcrumbs appear near the top of shop or product pages to show visitors where they are in the site structure. While they can be useful, some themes include an easy setting to turn them off if you prefer a more minimal design. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your website settings, appearance, and store options. Once you're there, look at the left-hand menu and navigate to Appearance, then select Customize. This opens the WordPress Customizer, which is where many themes place visual settings that affect how your website looks on the front end. After the customizer loads, take a moment to look through the available sections. Depending on the theme you're using, the breadcrumb setting may not always be in the exact same place. Common areas to check include header, layout, WooCommerce, or page settings. Themes organize these options differently, so if you don't immediately see a breadcrumb setting, it's normal to browse through a few sections before finding it. Once you locate the relevant area, look for an option labeled breadcrumbs, enable breadcrumbs, or something similar. When you find it, simply toggle the setting off or uncheck the box that enables breadcrumbs. This change usually updates the preview in the customizer right away, which helps you confirm that the breadcrumbs have been removed from the page display. If you're not seeing the option at first, move carefully through each related panel rather than rushing. In many cases, theme-specific WooCommerce settings are grouped under layout or page display controls. The important thing here is to disable the breadcrumb feature from the theme settings, rather than changing anything unrelated. Once the breadcrumbs are turned off and everything looks the way you want in the preview, click Publish to save your changes. This makes the update live on your website. After publishing, it's a good idea to visit one of your shop or product pages on the front end of the site and confirm that the breadcrumbs are no longer showing. If your site uses caching, you may also want to refresh the page or clear the cache so the updated version appears correctly. And that's it. That's how to remove WooCommerce breadcrumbs using the WordPress customizer.